Today we're going to be talking about perfume production. Now for our perfume production, we are making use of 3 chemicals for perfume production. We will be using our alcohol. I'm using ethanol here. So ethanol is just one type of alcohol. We also have IPA, that's isopropyl alcohol, and methanol. But for today we are using ethanol. Then we'll be using our propylene glycol. This is it here. Propylene glycol. And our perfume. Perfume is here. This is my measuring cup and this is the perfume. I hope you can see it. Perfume production steps. Very simple. We have just simple steps to follow. Now for this perfume, there are different. Now let me say something. For this perfume that I have here, I'm using synthetic perfume now. I mean perfume made in the lab. There are other types of perfumes. We call them essential oils. So, but for this training, I'll be using synthetic perfumes. There are different types of perfumes. We have so many of them. We have pure seduction, we have jasmine, so many of them. So just to mention a few, I have my perfume here. I have 2 perfumes here. I played with 2 perfumes here. Just the simple synthetic perfumes I have here. So now let's move on. So the first thing we are going to be doing now, we'll be adding our propylene glycol. This is it. We'll be adding it to the methanol. Since we are just doing 500 ml of perfume, so this is my 500 ml of ethanol here, and we'll be mixing 50 ml of this, 50 ml of this propylene glycol to our ethanol. So now I'm going to measure my 50 ml. So I'm going to measure my 50 ml of propylene glycol now, and I'll add it to the synthetic perfume I have here. So this is 50 ml. I'll be adding it to the ethanol here. And I'll be mixing it together. You can see. So the next step here, I'll be adding my perfume. This is my perfume here. I'll be adding it to the mixture that I have here. So my perfume here is just 63 ml. 63 ml to make the perfume. So this is 63 ml. I'll be adding together to have my perfume. So my perfume is ready. So this perfume here, I'll be leaving it for 24 hours to diffuse well, you know. So I'm going to be leaving it for 24 hours. Now there's a note of warning here. You see this perfume that we just made here now? You can only spray it at a distance. That's number one. Then number two, you don't spray it on your skin directly. The reason why you don't spray it directly on your skin is because this is a synthetic perfume. I hope you understand me. Okay, so the other type of perfume that we have, the essential oils, they are natural oils, natural fragrances that are made from trees, the bark of trees. I hope you understand. So, and examples of those kind of perfumes, we have the tea tree oil, we have the peppermint oil, we have the thyme and clove, we have the lavender. So we have different types of essential oils, and we also have some other expensive ones up to like, let's say 35,000 naira, like that per liter. So but for this one that we have, so it depends on how strong and how long lasting you want your perfume to be. But for this one here now, the propylene glycol functions, it helps the perfume to stay longer on the body, on anything you spray it on. It helps it to stay longer. So that's it for our perfume production. Then I need to talk about the packaging for this perfume. Now I'm still allowing this one to sit well before I package it. I hope you understand. So this is not a bottle for packaging, no. This is just for the course of this experiment. There are different bottles you can use to package your perfumes. So I wish you the best in your perfume production. So please try your hands on different fragrances. You can use 3 perfumes. So try your hands on it and let me have your feedback on it. Thank you.